This is a box.
We're gonna unbox it.
It's gonna happen.
Are you ready?
This was a gift to Kat. It's happening.
It sounds like a Christmas ornament. Is it a Christmas ornament?
No, it sounds like a metal rattlesnake to me.
I hate those.
I hate those with a passion.
Nefarious. Oh my god. Okay, guys. So first of all, we're gonna check out the packaging. The packaging is beautiful. Bombay Sapphire.
They also made it anime.
They also made it anime.
Oh look, they made it anime.
Like an anime version of it. Wow, it's really beautiful. Hats off to anime. Serve up more flavor, which is what we're intending on doing. We're intending on like serving up a lot of flavor.
There's flavor in the box.
For real. Okay, so let's check it out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I didn't expect this. This is crazy, bro. It's like a real Bombay Sapphire. Sam, touch it. It's real. It's like...
It's not anime?
It's a real tangible...
Holy
like,
shit,
oh
it's
my
not
god,
anime.
This
is so cute.
It is really cute.
Holy fuck.
And then... check out the packaging.
Look at her.
Look at it. It's real. It's legit. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. It's...
Bombay
alcoholic.
Sapphire.
And according to the bottle, it has grains of paradise in it.
Whoa.
Did you know it had Quebec berries?
Quebec fairies.
Quebec fairies, cassia bark, almonds from Spain.
Whoa.
You ever had
That's
a
far
Spanish
away.
almond?
That's pretty far away.
Has to do a lot of traveling. Licorice from China?
Whoa.
I don't know if that's... Okay, if we get further into the box, there is a beautiful... Oh my...
Whoa, you got some cards.
Is this
You
a
got
recipe book?
a good amount of cards.
It's a fucking recipe book, guys.
For this.
Beverages, recipes. Beverages,
Whoa.
recipes. Beverages, recipes. That's very special. Just check
Wow.
out the
Check it
beautiful
out.
artistry on it.
Check it out.
Oh my god.
Please check it out.
Please.
Please.
And then, to get to the pièce de résistance, would you like to pull it out, please?
I might have to.
What is it? What is it?
Oh, we
my
got
God. What?
a fucking...
What?
One of them bad boys.
Is that a real fucking shot glass?
From...
The 60 mil and the 30 mil?
Wow.
Is that a real, like...
Both.
2-in-1?
Wow. They're giving us too much.
It's like breakfast and lunch in one deal.
Except
beautiful.
it's all dinner.
And then...
It's a vodka snack.
free promotional.
But it's gin.
And my Band-Aids really...
You have to pay us.
Pay us with gin. Psych, we have our own.
Sponsor us. Thank you, Sapphire, for sponsoring us.
This has been an ad for Bombay Sapphire.
Thank you for sponsoring
which we
us.
invented. And we started the company...
I think last year, right?
there's no year in
Oh, last year.
it. We started the company last year. So if you think you've heard of it, you're definitely wrong. They were ripping us off. Absolutely copying our style. So yeah, as you can see, we've just obtained a beautiful bottle, a shot glass with 2 ends, and
Like so many cards.
so many cards that we're gonna
So
go
many.
play Go Fish right
We could.
now. You wanna go fish? You got one French 75?
We'll go fish the Bombay Ultimate GNT.
I've got none.
Go fish.
Bombay and lemonade, per se.
If you're watching this right now, go fish, motherfucker.
Like and subscribe to our channel.
Mm-hmm.
It's called Print Mob
Crit mob.
at youtube.com.
Crit mob. All up in your area.
We got a lot of cash. We got a lot of dollars. We got
We
a lot
have
of
too
paper.
much cash.
You could say that we're just like drowning in
We're
paper.
drowning. We're drowning in cash. We're drowning in fucking gin. We're drowning in fucking vodka. Like, I feel bad for you.
This is gonna last us, dare I say, months.
It should. It
Huge
really
amount.
should.
Yeah, sapphires.
I mean, that's like it's the most I've ever seen of
alcohol.
Bombay and alcohol in general. Like, I've never seen a bottle come this big.
For real. Do you want to cheers to success?
Cheers. Wow. We don't even drink, actually. We fucking know.
That was great. I loved that drink of experiencing.
We're Mormons, so we don't drink. So.
We are Mormon.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming to our vlog.
Thank you.
Please like, subscribe, and most importantly, buy Bombay Sapphire gift pack. It's really worth your time, your money, and your
liquor
time
addiction.
And liquor addiction. Thanks, guys, for coming to our unboxing. As you can see, we've unboxed the box. The box is empty. No boxes in this box.
It's been boxed.
You see any boxes in this box? I don't.
No, it's been boxed.
All right.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys. We love you.
Shout out my crints.
Cheers. Crint mob.
Crint mob.